Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited 20 Satoshi Solana. Unlimited 20 Satoshi Solana without any investment. Everything you are making here is free of charge. Okay, that's why they say that knowledge is power. Let me show you what I mean. We are going to do everything together. Okay, we are going to do everything together. So what you need to do if you want to make money with this method, rush now to your browser and type this website. Okay, type faucetplay.io. Faucetplay.io. So we are going to use two websites, which is the first one is faucetplay.io. That's the first one. So the second website we are going to use to make this money is called socoin.ft. That's the second one. Like, as you can see, I'm already on my dashboard. If you are here, you do it the way we normally do by registration. Registration is very simple. You follow the instruction, then you get yourself in the dashboard. Okay, once you are in the dashboard, this faucetplay.io is a wallet where you can save your coin. Okay, this is same thing with Binance and Trust Wallet. Okay, that's the same thing, but the reason why we are using this is because this particular method we are going to use accept this particular wallet. Okay, but after this you can transfer it to any wallet of your choice. So once you are here, you can see that I have like 260 Solano just now. Okay, this method is unlimited. You can do it from morning till night. It's unlimited. So as you can see, I just started just now and I made 260 Solano. Okay, so I'm going to show you what you'll be doing. The first thing is to get the wallet link. Okay, to get the wallet link, if you want to get the wallet link, what you need to do is just to click on this deposit. Okay, click on deposit. So once you click on deposit, you can see different addresses. Okay, different addresses. So but the one we are going to make use of is this last one. This last one, Solano. We click on this. Can you see where I click? You copy your address. Okay, so once you are in the second website, what you are going to do is to paste your address. Okay, the address we get from our first website, we paste it here. You hold and paste. Okay, this is the address. So after this, the next thing we are going to do, just to click, we are not, the thing we are doing here is very simple. Then you check, verify. So after verifying, the next thing we are going to do is by checking this. Like what they are asking you is to please click in the following order. So what you are going to do, one, that's the first one. Then we click on the second one, which is this. Then the last one, which is this. Then we click on get reward. Wow, can you see that? We just got 20 Satoshi Solana unlimited reward. So what we are going to do, we are going to keep doing this. We click on claim again. So once we click on claim again, we go to I am human. You leave it to load. Then you select this to confirm that you're a woman. You click on this. Then you verify. After that, You will also verify this by putting it in order. So what you are going to do right now, this is the first one. Sorry, this is the first one. This is the second one. This is the last one. You click on get reward. I made mistake, so we're going to do it again. I click on I'm not a robot. You click on the shoe. Verify. So what we are going to do right now is to write this. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the last one. You get reward. Okay. As you can see, I got 20 Sotashi Solana. Okay. We click on claim again. This is unlimited. Okay. This is real money. You can sell this on Binance or any other crypto exchange, okay? You can sell this. Some of my friends have been cashing out with this method, and I just want to show you how they are doing it. I believe in what is working. Okay, this is what is working for now, and it's free of charge, no investments. You don't need to invite anybody, okay? This is real money. You click on, you confirm again. Boom, we are here. So what I'm going to do right now is to select this one and select this one also. Click on get reward, as you can see. So that's what you will be doing. You click on claim again. You click I'm not a robot. You find the shoes. Then next. Okay, that's 287. Get reward. Wow. So let me show you. Like, a lot of people might be wondering how those people are making their own money. Okay, the way those people are making money is this ad here. A lot of people have also cashing out with this ad. What those people do is that they will paste all these adverts here, and once you are seeing that advert, the owner of these adverts are making money also. As you can see, this is another advert, this is another advert. There's a lot of adverts here. That's how they are making money. This one is adverts. Okay, those people are making their own money, so they are doing it as exchange. You see the adverts, they are making money and release the coin for us. Okay, that's how it works. So let me do it once again before we go and check whether the money is going straight to our wallet. Okay, so let me click on this. Try it one more time. So after that, okay, repeat. We click on repeat. We click on this and this. Verify. Okay, this is how we keep doing this stuff and making money. Okay, remember that the website we are using for this is called socoin.ft. Okay, Keep smashing that subscription button and turning on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch and that you'll be the first person to make money. Okay, so after making that money, what next? I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money to any preferred wallet. Okay, so we go back. Let's go back to our wallet address. Okay, it's called faucetplay.io. That's our wallet address. So we click on withdraw after making that money. Okay, we click on withdraw. So after reading all those things, there is only two way of making withdrawal. Okay, the first one is normal withdrawal, and normal withdrawal take 4 hours. Okay, normal withdrawal take 4 hours. Then the second one is priority withdrawal, and this second one takes only 5 minutes. But the problem with this one is that it consumes more coin. Okay, so I prefer this one. We are not rushing. The only thing you need to do is just to make that money, and once you make that money, you wait for 4 hours, and sometimes you get your coin before that 4 hours. Okay, so how to withdraw your money? You click on this one, this first one, coin. You click on it, then we look for our coin, which is Solana. As you can see, we have 260 before, but we have 360 right now. That's to show you that it has been accumulating. So after that, click on withdraw address. So if you have Trust Wallet, you can use it to withdraw. If you have Binance, you can use it to withdraw. So what you are going to do is just to place the address here. Okay, we place the address here. Then here is withdrawal amount. Okay, if you want to withdraw all you need to do is just to click on all here. Once you click on all, you can withdraw all. Okay, I don't want to withdraw mine now. I want to accumulate more before I can withdraw. Okay, but here you can withdraw at any time of your choice. That's the beauty of this. So that's how to withdraw. If you want to withdraw in 5 minutes, you use the second option. Okay, but I prefer the first option. So please, if you find this video helpful, make sure you smash that subscription button and turn on the notification bell, because we are going to make this money together. Okay, so if you have any question to ask, please don't hesitate to ask me on the comment below, and always visit my description, because I drop our official Telegram channel link there. Okay, and WhatsApp link, so that you can get in touch with me. So thank you for your time. Thank you for everything. Peace out.